Good day everyone. So I'm here to tackle about how to create this figure or what we call the power feed bracket by using AutoCAD. So first is we will create this rectangle. To create this one, so first is we have to draw a line with a uh, length of 3.62. So line from here 3.62. So we have our line with a length of 3.62. The next is offset it with a length of 1.26 offset here 1.26. After offsetting this one with a length of 1.26, we have to connect this line to make a triangle, or to make a rectangle rather. Then to get the radius of this edge, so we have to fillet it, then radius, as we can see, the radius here is 0.12, all of the edge with a radius of 0.12. Then click it here, and here. So we have our rectangle. So next is we will create this circle. By creating this one, we can see that it has a distance. We will need to create an imaginary line with a distance of 0.78. So line from this midpoint 0.78, and the other, just copy it. Here. Then make a circle with a radius of 0.1875. So circle 0.1875. Just simply copy the circle here to here, then delete it. So we have our rectangle in this figure. Next is, as we can see that from this line, we need to offset an imaginary line for us to become a center of this circle. So we will offset 5.26. So I will create first an imaginary line here, offset with a 5.26. Here. Then, as we can see, it has an imaginary line also with a offset of 1.62 from here to here. So we will create or simply offset this with an offset of 1.62. So offset 1.62 here, then extend it. Then next one is we will create a circle here. It says that this circle is has a diameter of 1.13. So click circle, then center diameter from this midpoint to this, and we will the radius, the diameter here is 1.13, and enter. Then the next circle is has a diameter of 2.06. Again, center diameter from the mid point again of the circle. Then 2.06, enter. Then the last circle is contained with 2.88. So from here, circle again. Circle center diameter from here, 2.88, and enter. So we have our this one and this figure. So next one is we can delete this imaginary line, and then we will make a line from here downward with a length of 1.49, and to the right side with a length of 2.62. So we have this line, then escape. So we will create this circle. As we can see that this circle is 1.66 or 68. So center diameter again, 1.68, 1.68, and enter. So first, we'll connect first here this line to this line. So we'll just command line, then connect this one to the tangent. Oh, sorry. Just move it to the tangent here, and also this one tangent. So I think that this is the tangent of this circle. So again, line from here then we will see this here, tangent. Tangent here. Then we'll just find the tangent one here. On the other side, we'll find the tangent. Sorry. Line. And here, this one, and connect it to the tangent one. There, so we have our line. So we have this connecting lines. So we will just trim the circle. The circle. Trim. Here. Then just simply delete it. And trim. So we have this one. So next one is we will create a circle in here versus circle with a radius of 0.375. The next is create a line from this quadrant and bring it up from the R to intersect in our rectangle. Then just fillet it with a radius of 0.94. Fillet this one to this one. Then we have this one. Next is we will create a line from here with a distance of with a length or a length of 1.70. Then upward with 0.56 and another one here 0.56 also, and just connect it here, then trim. The next one is create a line in here with a length of 0.87. Then offset or just make a line here with a 0.47. Then connect it in our circle. Then another one, line, line 0.47, connect it here, and just trim it. The next one is just offset our middle line with 0.28 in the left side and right side. So we have this one. Just lessen the length of this line. Then just delete our imaginary line from this line. So we have our this figure in our feed bracket. Then next one is we'll get this line. So you can see this line. So this line is connected from the endpoint of our line that is connecting this one. So line here is F8. Then we will connect it here. Sorry. So first is we will create a dimension of our figure. So first is the dimension. This dimension. So from here to here. So this dimension is this one and this one. So we have, let's change our beam style color. So for the modify, then let's the text color is green, and then the fill color is also red. The fill color is red and the text color is green. Then we will merge our text height. Alright. Then set kernel. So we have this dimension. Next is we will get this dimension from here to here. We have this dimension 0.78. Then another dimension of this two circle are there. So here is the dimension. The next one is the dimension of our rectangle, or the width of our rectangle. So dimension from here to here, 3.60. So there we have it. Then we will clear this one, delete it, that is not needed, then trim here, and here. Then we will create this line. This line is the line is have a length of 3.023 with an angle of 82 degrees. So we have that line. So we will put this properties, or this broken line. So just click this layer property, or layer 1, then make a line from here to here. Oops, sorry. We'll just click this center. line here. Next is we will get the this one, the magenta color, the line with a center line. So first is we will click this AR layer with a center 2, then line, then from here to here. So we can see it is on a solid line, so we will right click, then click the properties, then change the line tape scale, for example as 0.02, and enter. And there we have our imaginary line. Then next is we will get this one. So getting this one as making a circle from here with a radius of 2.38. So just type 2.38. Oh, sorry. We will change our layer into green one, or into a hidden or a broken line. So circle radius of 2.38. Yeah, 2.38. Then enter. Then since our circle is a solid line, so we will again change the properties into 0 to enter. Then we have our broken line. Next is we'll just trim this broken line. So trim. We'll trim it here and here. The last one is here. So we get this arc, or this radius. Next is we will get this offset. As we can see, this line, or this broken line, is offset as is 0.58. So this line, we will offset this line with half of 0.58, which is 0.29. Enter. In the right side and in the left side. Then I will offset this circle by 0.25 for my base in this line that I will make. So I will start a line here. Line. Okay. Then I will trim this all of the excess. Also, sorry, I will extend it here. I will delete our imaginary circle. So, as you can see, we haven't putting an imaginary line, so we will put a line here. For example, it's here to here. The other line. And simply command MA for merge to here, here, then here, and then fillet are this broken line by the radius of 0.12. Here we have and we have this broken line. Next is we'll make this one, this in the midpoint of this rectangle. So just click this line, midpoint to the end point of the circle. Just trim it.
Yeah.
So we will create the dimensions for this figure. So command dim from here to here. We have a dimension of 1.76. Then the next one is here to here. So dimension here 2.62. There we have it. And the next one is, oops, sorry. Maybe we can shorten this. It's thin. Here another dimension 1.70 from here to here, and then here. Then we will get the dimension of this one. Dimension here to here, 0.56. Then another dimension. And we will get these diameters. So first one, click this one and click the diameter. So this first. So then next one here. Then this one. Oops, sorry, maybe we could choose the radius here, 2.40. So we have the dimension here. So we will get this one, 1.12 dimension. Here to here, and we can delete this imaginary line. Then this one from here to here, purple R. imaginary or the broken line. So from here to here, 1.62. Oh, we have this one, radius. So click again the radius, and then we got this one. So there we have it. Power. We will just delete this one. Because so next is this one. So I think we could offset this one. Since it is 1.12, we will divide it by 3. So just wait a moment. We will make first this one, or this extension. So here is it is I think it is connected, or it is connected in this circle, or this endpoint or quadrant of the circle. If you connect it, and just extend it. Okay. And we have this line. So we will make this broken line. So for example, as we offset this line. So, for example, as 0.37, 0.37, and the other one, 0.37. Oh, sorry. For example, as 0.30. Offset. Offset. Then just connect it here. Oops. This also. Then just trim the excess. And we will it's from here pala, sorry. Then again, Command MA, how much that? think we could for example here, I think we could offset this one by 0.30, I think, to be more and then MH here. So there we have the left side of our figure, or the left side of our power feed bracket. So since we are done on the left side of our power feed bracket, we could continue to the right side of the figure. So first is we'll make this line. So it is aligned with this line with a length of 3. Then next is we will just drag our line upward, then connect here in this imaginary line. As you can see, this is the intersection of this line. Then next is we have our this line, which is 1.68, and enter. Then just connect our lines to form a rectangle. And as you can see, we could simply just connect it here. Then so we can see, we could offset this line to this line with 0.58. So offset 0.58 here to here, then 0.38 from here to here. So we have this line. Then as you can see, this circle is the same as this one, so we could copy our circle here. Copy. Then we have this. Next is we'll create this line. So this line is from the end of our here we could make a line upward with a 1/4 of this so it like here 0.315. So we have the midline of this two line. So next is we will make a line to the right side with 0.62 and just curve it again, then connect it from here. So we have this one. So next is we will create this one, this rectangle. So this rectangle is from so this one is from here at the end of the CR 0.62 line. Then our imaginary line is from here, our intersection. Here. Then create a line with 0.70 to the right side. Then bring down our rectangle to this point, this projection. Then we could connect it here from this intersection. Then just connect it. So next is we'll create a here is this is a 0.14, so we will create a line from here 0.14 and enter and drag it downward and connect it here. There we have it. The next one is, since from here to here is 5.06, so we will offset this one. Could offset it. Offset 5.06, 5.06, enter, from here to here. So we have our imaginary line, and then so we can see that this line is intersection is in the end of this circle, so we will create a line from this circle, line from this end of circle to this one, and we can short it. Since it is a so you can see here, we could conclude that it is the end point of this 5.06 is here. So next is we will connect this. We will create a line downward within a length of 0.16. Enter and escape. Then we could connect this line to this line, and this one to this one. So you can see these three lines, and this one is this line and this line. So we could match that here, here, and then the other one is here. So we have it, and then we could give it this imaginary line. Next is we could fillet all the edges of the lines versus here. Fillet. Sorry. It's a little bit like fillet. Here to here. The next one is here to here. We could extend it this one, and then we could fillet it again. That one. Then we could connect it here. Just extend it. Then fillet this one also. Just make a line and for this one. And then this one also. We could fillet it. And then we could fillet it with this one also. Then extend it. So there we have it. This one also. Thank you. Then we could delete this one, or we could simply just extend it. Yeah. There we have it, all of the fillets here. The next one is we could offset this line to this line with 1.68. So we will offsetting this one, offset with 1.68. Alright, 1.68. So 1.68 here to here. Then we'll just extend it here to become our imaginary line. So let us first create a dimension for this one. So we could not be curious making this one. So all of the dimension. Then turn it into the dimension. So from here to here. Next one is here. Here's 0.56, 58, 0.02. So 0.62 there. Then 0.70 and 1.30. So this one and this one. Then this one. 2. And 0.30. Just offset here, offset 1.30 for our imaginary line. So we could create a dimension. So there we have it. So we have our upper side of our figure. Then this one also we could make our dimension. There. So next is create an imaginary line. So we can see from here to here it is connected, so we could just connect this line to this line. this line to this line. The next one is so we can see that this color magenta line is its intersection is in the center of this circle, so we could conclude that line, our imaginary line, will be here towards here. Then we could extend it. The next one is we could create this one, this line, and this line. So just make a line here and right, and then and as we can see, the figure below, it is the midpoint here is used to find this midpoint. So okay. This one is and we could fillet this one. So fillet this fillet F here to here and make a line. So there we have our this one. So next is we could create this broken line. So just make a line from this midpoint to this MA much drop here. So next one is we will create a circle here because of this figure. So we find we were able to find the center of our circle. So here's the center. So just copy this circle since it is has the same edges here. Then next is create a circle. So circle and radius, circle, center diameter, and 0.6 circle, center radius 0.6, and here 0.6, and there we have it, our circle. So next is we will create this figure. So by creating this is first is we will need to find this circle. So the center of that is here and here. So we will create a line here and here downward, and this is the center of our circle. And just copy again our circle. Then there we have our circle. And this one is image drop, so we could simply command MA image drop of this one. So we have this. So next is we will create this one. So as you can see, this line is at the top of our circle. So first is we will extend this line here, then here. so. Next is create a line at the up, so here. Then next is this one at the middle of our line, so here from here to here. So just fillet it, or you could fillet this one. And fillet it. So first is we'll just create a line. So line, then we have our this figure, then we will fillet it again here, then here. So just simple fillet, just fillet it. And here. Then we could simply connect it to here. But first is we would create a line here. Then we have a line from here upward, so this line is 0.20. Check it if it is 0.20. Oh, it is not 0.20. There. And then we would create another line. Then connect it here. As we can see that this one is at the end point of that. So our line that we made earlier, that 0.20. Here, 0.20. Then write it here. And just draw it. Then fillet. We'll just connect our. There we have it. Then we could delete this one. Then we could get the dimension of this right side. So we will get from here to here dimension. From here to here we have 1.88. And from here to here, so next is we'll get this one with a radius of 1.50. To get this is first we will create an imaginary line from here 1.5 downward, then let us create a circle. But first we will get this one first. So first is we will get a dimension of 4.70. So in dimension from here to here 4.70, and let's drag it here. So as we can see, this will create an imaginary line for us to make a circle. And here. So here we will create an imaginary circle. We will create a circle. So this one, so it is like this one, so we can copy it. Just copy. Then create a circle again, the other one. This one is a 1.12 diameter. 1.12. Then we have this one. Next is we will get this one from here to here. It says that is 0.80, so we'll get dimension here. From here 0.80 down 0.80 and drag it upward. And we could create this one. So just connect the line, and here, connect here, and downward, connect. Then from a line here, then fillet radius of 0.5. There. So next is we have this figure. Next is we will create this one. It says that it is 1.50. So we'll create a circle from here, then 1.50. There I have it. Then next is just create a line. Then intersect here in this technique. Then just filling it with a radius of 1.76. 1.76 here to here. So we have our, we could trim it, I think. Here we have our this figure, and we could delete the unnecessary lines like this, so we could just and extend it here. Sorry, here, and just trim. There you have it. And we could delete this one. and we will get all the dimensions that it's given. So dimension from here, sorry, dimension from here to here, we have 3.38. Then next is this one, 0.80, we have it. Then this one, 0.12. So dimension here 1.12. Then radius. So there we have our power feed bracket. Thank you for listening.